To make a buzzing hornet, you're going to need a few things. You'll need 2 index cards. You'll also need a pair of scissors, 1 popsicle stick, this is a tongue depressor size, 1 rubber band, make sure it's a fat one, also about 3 or 4 feet of cotton string, you can use yarn or anything like that, and a hot glue gun. Now the first step is to work with your index card, so go ahead and set everything else aside. Take one of your index cards and cut the corners off, just like this. Okay, so you have this shape. So I've just cut 2 corners here. And now we're going to attach it to our popsicle stick using some hot glue. So you're going to run a bead of hot glue down the length of the popsicle stick, and working quickly, attach your index card right onto it. Now if you find your index card is a little bit longer than the popsicle stick, go ahead and trim it using your pair of scissors, just like so. Your next step is to take your second index card and cut it in half. And you're going to take each half and do the same thing with it. So let me show you what that is. You're going to fold it in half once, fold it in half twice, and it doesn't matter which way you're folding it in half. And you're going to fold it in half a 3rd time, so it's about that shape. Using your hot glue gun, we are going to put hot glue on both sides of one of the ends of the popsicle stick. And you're just going to sandwich that on, just like so. Okay, so I've got some of that index card on one side and some on the other, just like that. We're going to do almost the same thing on this end, but one additional step. So go ahead and take that index card, that half of the index card, fold it in half once, fold it in half twice, fold it in half a 3rd time. Now again, it doesn't exactly matter as long as you've got 3 folds in there. And you're going to take your bit of string and lay it on the center line of the index card and go ahead and tie it in place. So you've made this shape. So it looks like a little book with the string that wraps all the way around it. Once you've completed this, now you can attach it in the same way that you did before to the end of the popsicle stick using glue, some on each side, and you're going to go ahead and sandwich that closed. So I've got my index card on both sides, and I'm using my fingers to hold it into place. We're actually almost done. Once this is dry, you're going to take a large rubber band, a nice big fat one, and you're going to wrap it around the index card so you can actually see the edge of the popsicle stick here, and then the rubber band is on the top and it's on the bottom surface, just like that. So I've wrapped it entirely around. And unfortunately the rubber band's the same color as the popsicle stick, but you can see it right here. Okay. To make your hornet work, go ahead and grab the end of the string and whip it around your head really fast until it makes a sound.